YouTube channel. This is Norina Kawal. Hopefully you understand about what is affiliate marketing and how you can choose your niche and what is niche, and what is high ticket affiliate marketing and what is low ticket affiliate marketing. Today I will explain you about affiliate networks. So finding companies, first of all we have jvzoo.com, and jvzoo have different digital products. You can go and sign up and take the product and promote it. And second one is clickbank has different products like a digital product and various niches product like health and fitness, education, digital products, and food. Every type of product they have. Just you go through and sign up and select the product and promote into your social media account. And next one is maxbounty.com. it has various niches, affiliate manager, and again you just need to select the product and promote into your social media account. The fourth one is Various Plus has digital marketing products, and you just need to go sign up and take the product and promote into your social media account. And in my next video I will explain you how you can apply affiliate in jvzoo or clickbank. So this is today video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you are interested how to make money online, just go through to description and take the 15 days challenge and learn about it, how this system is work. And thank you.